Alright, time for number 3. We just got 2 done. This one is B times C. So we got this matrix times this one. Remember, rows times columns. So this entire row times this entire column. When you're doing that, you gotta take first entry times first entry, second times second, third times third, okay? So make sure you're keeping your order straight. We're going to do first row times first column. So 1 times -5 gives you -5. Add -6 times -3 is positive 18. Add -4 times 0, which is 0. And we're going to move on to second row times first column. -1 times -5 gives you -5. Add -2 times -3 is 6. And then we add -6 times 0, which is 0. And we're going to move on to second column multiplying time. So first row times second column. You got to do 1 times 2, which is 2. Add -6 times 5, which is -30. And add -4 times -6, which is -24. And we got to do second row times second column. 1 times 2 is 2. -2 times 5 is -10. Remember, you're always adding between all of these. -6 times -6 is positive 36. And we got our matrix, at least an intermediate step. And now we can actually simplify these now. -5 plus 18 plus 0 is 13. 2 plus -30 plus -24. Oi, that doesn't look easy. It's -52. And then -5 plus 6 plus 0 is 1. 2 plus -10 plus 36, you're looking at 28. And that should be it for BC. Let's move on to K times B plus C. Remember, K is 2. So we have to do K times B, which is 1, -6, -4, 1, -2, -6. And we have to add C, which is -5, -3, 0, 2, 5, -6. Okay, some things I notice right away is even if I double all this, the dimensions aren't going to match up. This is a 2 by 3. This is a 3 by 2. There's no way you'll ever add those up. So this one's going to be undefined or not possible. And that is 4. Let's move on to 5. So what are the dimensions of the above matrices? Write them next to the matrices. Oh look, I've already started. This one here, C is a 3 by 2. B is a 2 by 3. And A is a 2 by 2. Jumping over to B times C, that's a 2 by 2. That's a 2 by 2, by the way, as well, even though it has like all the add and subtract stuff. AC, not possible, so we don't have to worry about that. K times AB gives us a 2 row by 3 column matrix. And I think those are all the matrices we've had for the whole assignment. And there we go. That is all the way to the end.